Have you ever felt like you are studying 4 hours but not really learning anything? Or maybe you sit down to focus and find your mind quickly wandering off. There is a powerful technique that can transform your study sessions from just spending time to truly mastering material. The best way to track deep work for better study involves systematically recording your focused study periods to understand your personal productivity patterns and eliminate distractions. This simple practice helps you identify when and how you are most effective, turning vague study time into highly productive learning. Deep work refers to extended periods of uninterrupted concentration on a single, cognitively demanding task, allowing your brain to engage fully with complex material. Tracking these sessions helps you build awareness of your natural rhythms and what external factors support or hinder this intense focus. It essentially trains your brain to sustain high-level attention. To begin tracking, choose a simple method like a notebook, a basic spreadsheet, or a dedicated time tracking application. Define what a deep work session means for you, typically an uninterrupted block of 25 to 50 minutes dedicated to one specific study task. Record the start and end times of each session, the specific subject or task you worked on, and a brief note about your focus level or any distractions encountered. Review these notes weekly to spot trends and make informed adjustments to your study environment and schedule. This method is often enhanced by techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which uses a timer for 25-minute work intervals followed by short breaks. Regularly reviewing your deep work logs helps you combat what is known as Parkinson's law, the idea that work expands to fill the time available. By tracking, you actively work against this, focusing on output rather than just hours spent. By diligently tracking your deep work, you move beyond merely clocking study hours to truly optimizing your learning potential. This personalized insight into your peak concentration, times, and triggers for distraction empowers you to create highly effective study habits, leading to deeper understanding and better academic results without unnecessary burnout.